You notice them. You like them. You want to say something. But instead, you rehearse the perfect line 27 times, panic, fake text your mom, and leave.
And then spend the rest of the week replaying it in the shower, wishing you'd said literally anything else. Relatable.
Look, this video isn't about becoming a pickup artist. It's for you, the overthinker, the I'll say something when the moment feels right type. Even though the moment came, waved, left, and now that person has 3 kids.
Guilty. I always stare at them, hoping they will catch that as a hint to make the first move on me.
Today, we're fixing that. You're gonna learn how to make the first move, even if your soul is trembling, and how to stop letting rejection control your life.
Yeah, or my chance of meeting someone cute.
No cringe tactics. No, just be confident bullshit. We're talking mindset shifts, sneaky psychology, and tips that actually work. Let's go. Let's start off by why rejection hurts so damn much.
And why that's kind of dumb?
That as well. Rejection feels like emotional waterboarding, but not because you're weak. It's because your brain is still stuck in caveman mode. Back then, getting rejected meant getting kicked out of the tribe, aka free one-way ticket to Bear Buffet. And guess who's the main course? Exactly. Fast forward a few thousand years, brain still acts like getting ignored by your crush means death by wilderness. Heart pounding, palms sweaty, full survival mode, all because someone said nah to grabbing coffee. You're not dying, you're just dramatic. It's fine. Which is why getting left on red by someone who vapes and uses 3-in-1 shampoo feels like the end of the world. Or maybe you're worried your friends will roast you if it flops. Who cares? They're too scared to even try. Those jokes? Gone in 5 minutes. But the regret of doing nothing? That shit follows you home. But here's the plot twist. It's not the end of the world. You're just being ignored by someone whose idea of deep conversation is sending a funny TikTok at 2 a.m.
Oh, I think I might be that someone.
Yeah, you should work on that. But no, we're not here to avoid rejection. We're here to train your brain to stop giving a damn about it. Let's deprogram the panic, because the real glow-up is doing the thing anyway. Most people walk up to someone thinking,
I hope they like me.
nah, flip it. You're not applying for a job. You're the one interviewing. Your mission isn't to get a yes. It's to figure out,
Do I even like this person beyond the face and the jawline?
exactly. You're not there to impress. You're there to observe. If there's a vibe, great. If not, congrats, you just dodged months of dry convos and pretending to care about their gym PRs or grandma who just died.
That's kind of sad.
Rejection isn't some tragic ending. It's the universe going, nope, not this one, next. But how are you going to make the first move when your nervous system is screaming?
Abort mission, plan an escape route.
Step 1, spot the cutie. Nice, they exist. Acknowledge and proceed.
Okay, target in sight.
Step 2, move before your brain starts spiraling. You've got exactly 10 seconds before your mind creates 12 fake reasons why they're out of your league and probably dating a model.
Moving closer to the target, asking permission to proceed.
Step 3, open your mouth. Say anything remotely human.
But like, what if they reply in a rude way?
Then thank the universe for filtering them out in 10 seconds instead of 10 months. So just try something like, hey, you looked interesting. Figured I'd say hi.
Sorry, I don't usually do this, but my brain wouldn't shut up until I said hi.
That could work too. Compliment their energy, the way they dance, or something else you notice about them to start the conversation. Flirting isn't about slick lines, it's about energy. If you walk up with the vibe of, please love me, they'll smell the desperation. But if you walk up like, hey, this is fun, let's see what happens, you're just giving them a vibe check, not a marriage proposal.
So, no intense 5-second stare that actually means, can I kiss you?
Yeah, let's not do that. Flirting isn't an HR screening. Keep it light. If it feels right, you'll know. Here's the truth. You will get rejected at some point, maybe a lot. But every rejection builds resistance. Not because you suddenly become hotter, but because your fear gets quieter. Rejection is emotional weightlifting. You don't grow confidence by avoiding pain. You grow it by realizing pain won't kill you.
Wait, so if I get rejected 5 times, I unlock level 6 in confidence?
Exactly. Level 6 comes with I don't care sunglasses and emotional abs. What if you get a yes? Then, nothing changes. You didn't unlock a prize. You just found someone who vibes back. Their yes doesn't upgrade your value. And their no doesn't decrease it either. So go, say the thing, stumble through it, ramble, be awkward. At least you showed up, which is more than most people ever do.
Okay, I'm still scared, but like less run away and more panic, but do it anyway.
That's called progress. Say hi, get rejected, move on, and who knows, you might stumble across your dream partner. Unless you get rejected, of course, then it wasn't meant to be. No big deal.